Today, Muz has partnered with us. We're so excited to be discussing शादी की कुछ बातें. कभी कभार ये बेटी बन जाती है, मैं माँ बन जाती हूँ. I don't know ये कैसे होता है. So happy to see her saying all of this.
Fact है तो सब कुछ है. हो जाता है.
It's simple. That people come up to me asking her new residential address. Gym 6 times a week, family oriented, hates cats.
Same.
Hi guys, this is me Ayla Adnan. Today I am joined with my most favorite special guest, my mother, and we are going to be discussing all things love, again presented by Muz. My mother, Amna Keel, fashion designer, entrepreneur, mother, sister,
Friend, best
best friend, now wife, new hat to add, new role to add to her lovely hat. And today, Muz has partnered with us. Muz, as you guys know, is the world's largest platform where Muslims from all over the world are finding their true matches, their long-term partnerships, and we're so excited to be discussing Shaadi ki kuch baatein, kuch preconceived notions about Mama's own personal experiences. Aaj main utni baatein nahi karungi. It's going to be her day, her show. So thank you so much to Muz for partnering with us, and we are so excited to get into this episode of Finding Love Again. It's going to be a very casual, candid conversation with Mama, and मुझे कुछ सवाल भी पूछने थे, and we're going to keep it really chill. That's why we're in this casual bedroom setting in the living room. When you, and I'm going to go a little deep here, ठीक है? So when you and Papa were getting a divorce, obviously it was a challenging time, I think, as a female, as someone who was very loyal in the relationship, been with a partner. And you know, one thing I really say about my Ammi is that she is very loyal. Like, I have not seen anyone who has more loyalty in her, and she will stand up for her people. So when you went through that time, how did you think you'll find love again? या आपका कोई change आया था वो love की meaning में from a partnership angle?
Well, to be very frank, the time I was getting a divorce, उस time पे तो आपके दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीजें नहीं आती. वो जो एक certain time होता है, because you have other things to deal with. For you, finding love again at that point in time is the last thing that you would think. तो उस टाइम पे तो नहीं सोचा, but yes, after some time when you got settled down in school and everything, when we moved from Dubai to Pakistan, कुछ अरसे के बाद जब हर चीज़ वो कहते हैं ना एक जैसे जब बारिश होती है, जब मिट्टी गीली होती है, सूखी मिट्टी पे जब पानी पड़ता है वो गीली होके बैठ जाती है, and then your thunderstorm is gone and you're feeling calm
There
and all.
is that light after the end of the tunnel.
Yeah.
Light at the end of the tunnel.
So yeah, उसके बाद I did think कि you know maybe there will be somebody there for me as well.
Yeah.
But I never looked for it as such कि मैं ढूंढना शुरू कर दूँ.
नहीं, आपने कभी नहीं ढूंढा. Yeah.
My priority was not to remarry again at that point. My priority was you and my work. So and my friends. So life.
Very loyal
simple
friend
thing.
you are.
Alhamdulillah.
You're very friends
Simple.
friend, mashallah.
Because
से.
my friends are also loyal to me. You see, it's just not one way ना. आपका दोस्त भी तो आपके साथ loyal है. आपने उसको भी तो test किया है बहुत जगहों पे.
That is true. How long did it take for you to know that you're ready to fall in love again? I know ये एक बहुत ही wordy question है.
Fall in love is not is when you find the right person. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता and you're in love with that guy. It's just that simple. Fall in love आप कोई दिमाग में mind बना के थोड़ी कर सकते हो कि ये इस time पे मैंने fall in love करना है. You get the right person, you can fall in love with that person in one day, or you meet the wrong person, you can't fall in love in 10 years. Simple.
So Mama, were you scared that people would judge you कि आपको दूसरी शादी करनी थी? Because मर्द पे तो बोलते हैं ठीक है, उसको तो हक है. औरतों पे दूसरी शादी पे एक बड़ा एक topic बन जाता है. What are your thoughts?
I was never scared. I never even thought about these things.
Judgment?
All I thought about was you and my mother.
Oh.
If you two are happy, the rest of the world don't care and don't even want to know. It's my decision, भाई. मैं शादी कर रही हूँ, मुझे लोगों से क्या करना है? Exactly.
And I think, guys, if you have just come out of a divorce, या अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं as someone who's a newly single person, take this advice. You don't need to care about the world. I think दुनिया की हम परवाह कर के ही अपने को बूढ़ा कर देते हैं. We focus so much of our energy on others, and I think this is like a great message of any age कि life is too short. Okay, so Mama, do you think अब 2025 में औरतों के आसान है डिवोर्स करना? Do you think stigmas कम हो गए? जैसे अगर आपका डिवोर्स I think 2007-2008 में हुआ था, do you think it's easier now compared to then?
Absolutely. मतलब जब मेरा डिवोर्स हुआ था तो समझो कि हमारे पूरी फैमिली में that was like the
New?
first divorce आयला. It wasn't easy. तो वो
I'm not laughing, but I'm like shocked. What? This is the first divorce?
हाँ, course एक बहुत बड़ा एक स्टिग्मा
धचका.
एक चीज थी वो. अब तो लोग शादी करते हैं और 3 महीने, अल्लाह माफ करे, पर 2 महीने 3 महीने में डिवोर्स हो जाता है. Obviously, when you are getting married, nobody thinks कि उसने डिवोर्स करना है. आप कभी भी शादी ये सोच के तो जिंदगी में भी नहीं करते. बट सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिसकी वजह से you have to take this such a big decision. It's not a small thing, guys. Divorce is not a joke.
Yeah. Okay, so what made you realize you were ready to love again?
Again, as I said, it was not ready to love again. It's
Yeah.
when you meet the right person, Ayla. आप सही बंदे से मिलोगे तो आप सोचोगे थोड़ी. अब एज हम कोई रोबोट्स थोड़ी हैं, हम एआई के रोबोट्स नहीं है कि हमने कोई एक टाइमर लगाया हुआ है अपने पे कि हमने इस टाइम पे लव करना है, हम रेडी हो गए लव के लिए. इट्स व्हेन यू गेट द राइट गाय इन योर लाइफ, लव कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली.
Yeah.
नॉट लाइक कि हमने कुछ करना है, हो जाता है.
It's simple. Let's move on to the segment of taboos and stigmas. I feel like because personally हमने इर्द गिर्द भी बहुत देखे हैं divorces, remarriages, ये इतना एक taboo topic है. So do you think आज तक it is still a big deal for a woman to get remarried?
I think now it's not a big deal for women to get remarried. Yeah, I think up to things have changed. Even in our country, things have changed. We have become very progressive, and remarrying again is not a bad thing. I mean, nikah एक बरकत लेकर आता है. Nikah is a better thing कि आप किसी को पसंद करते हो तो आप शादी करके निकाह कर लो ना. Rather than keep on lingering that relationship, उसमें क्या बुराई है?
और लिंगर में भी कुछ substance नहीं होता, value नहीं होती.
हाँ, ठीक है, कुछ टाइम आप जरूर लो to get to know the other person, because if you want to marry somebody, थोड़ा आप वो टाइम ले लो to get to know each other. देखो पहले ज़माने में like you know नाना की शादी हुई, अम्मी की, अम्मी saw बाबा, my father for the first time.
Yeah, tell the audience.
Actual शादी वाले दिन.
Yeah,
My
my
mother
nani
saw,
met her
बाबा
my nana,
like
yeah.
first time निकाह वाले दिन उन्होंने एक दूसरे से वो मिले. उससे पहले उन्होंने सिर्फ तस्वीर देखी, तो वो एक अलग टाइम था. फिर अब जो टाइम है, अब now things have changed. Now women are all educated, they all want to work, they are out there
Also
in the world, like,
independent. वो
independent
एक
हैं, already काम कर रही हैं, बाहर लोगों से मिल रही हैं, तो और निकाह तो एक बहुत blessing होती है.
Do aunties ever stop asking intrusive questions? And let me answer this for a second. नहीं, aunties अभी भी वो सारे सवाल पूछ रही हैं. Of course.
कैसे सवाल?
Of course कि बेटा जैसे शादी के बाद कहाँ रहोगे? शादी
आंटी
के
आपके
बाद
घर में रहेंगी.
auntie, like I've had people come up to me asking her new residential address, and I've looked at them in the face and been like, okay, like this is a bit much. I don't think आंटियाँ रुकती हैं. I think उनको मजा आता है.
I think अभी तक मुझसे कोई आंटी ने ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, बट हाँ आई एम श्योर मैं इतनी आंटियों से मिलूंगी तो वो पूछ लेंगी.
Okay, so we notice कि सोसाइटी में जब एक मर्द की शादी, जब एक आदमी की शादी होती है वो बहुत सेलिब्रेटेड होती है, चाहे वो सेकंड हो या थर्ड हो. लेकिन जब एक औरत की दूसरी शादी भी होती है, फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, वो बहुत डाइसेक्ट किया जाता है साउथ एशियन सोसाइटीज में और ग्लोबली. सो व्हाई डू यू थिंक ये आज तक एक थिंग है?
ये थिंग हम औरतों की वजह से. These women, they have a lot of questions to ask. They want to know everything कि सबकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, इसकी अगर दूसरी शादी हुई है तो कौन है, क्या है, किधर, everything they want to know. They have ये औरतों के अंदर एक they can say germs हैं that they want to know. That's it.
Damn. Do you think age changes how people view love? Do you think you viewed it differently? आप personally करते हैं?
I think with age you become wiser ना. With age you become wiser. आपके जो decisions होते हैं आप wisely सोच के थोड़ा लेते हो और हर एंगल सोच के लेते हो. Like for me मेरा एंगल तो तुम थी. You know, I have a daughter and I want her to also be liking the person I'm marrying. वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत important चीज़ थी.
What if I didn't like Mubarak?
I
I
knew
think,
it.
yeah.
मुझे पता था कि you would like it.
And I love my mom, so why wouldn't I like her taste? Like, she wouldn't choose someone like stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's one thing you'd say to women in your age जिनका divorce हुआ है, उनको लगता है उनकी जिंदगी खत्म है? Like, what advice would you give? They think their story is over.
No, not at all. Firstly, you see, 40s is the new 20s, guys. So age is just a number for me, and that's how I think. And secondly, कोई life नहीं खत्म होती. Divorce का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपका end हो गया है. Divorce का मतलब ये है कि वापस से restart your life, यार. That's it.
Love that. So now let's keep it light and talk about our partners of the day. Muz, the modern matchmaking. I feel like ये कुछ ऐसे fun questions हैं that maybe I would also want to know your answers to, because I probably don't know what she's going to say. So Mama, what do you honestly think of people meeting on applications like Muz?
I think it's a great platform. इसमें क्या बुराई है? Because you see, I'll tell you, जितने लोगों को आप जानते हो through your friends and all, आपको पता है कि आपकी इससे नहीं बन सकती and you don't want to marry this guy. When you go online, you meet so many different mindsets, or it's just about clicking. आपको किसी का mindset click कर गया तो it's a good deal. What's wrong?
Amazing. Okay. Do you think that online connections, social media, the internet is so much bigger than we could have imagined? Do you think you can make online connections into real love?
Absolutely, yes, you can. Yes, why not?
Yeah.
See, online connection क्या है? Online connection is just getting to know someone. Is it? It's a great platform to know the other person. And
also good to understand before even taking a step forward.
Yeah, before even meeting.
So knowing your time is not being wasted.
Absolutely.
I think that's important.
Yeah.
What's one green flag if you were on Muz that you would look for in a guy's profile? कि उसकी profile में वो एक चीज हो. That's like a green flag for you.
I think for me is अपने religion से बहुत करीब होना चाहिए. Because if you're God fearing, तो आप अच्छे इंसान हो.
I love that answer. And that's, I think, a very beautiful answer. Just how I feel too. Should girls let their moms approve what?
नमाज दे दो उसको बोनस दे देना लड़के ने अच्छा जवाब दे.
Okay. So Mama, should girls let their mothers approve their matches on Muz?
Mothers approve
Like,
the girls' matches.
If I find someone on Muz and I show
why
you,
not? You see, your mother is more wiser. She will definitely give you a better advice, ना? एक माँ अपनी बेटी के लिए या बेटे के लिए गलत तो सोचेगी नहीं, हमेशा अच्छा ही सोचेगी. शायद वो एंगल्स निकालेगी जो लड़की या लड़का उस एज में नहीं निकाल सकता. So the mother will take a step there.
I love how deep my mother gets on every question. Okay, if I found someone on Muz, would you swipe for me? Like swipe right as in yes, or would you ruin it?
No, if you'll find someone at Muz and if I ask you कि तुम्हारी बात हुई है और सब green flags हैं, I would want you to मुझसे मिलाओ.
Yeah.
और मिलने के बाद अगर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो why not, आयला?
I know.
I mean, I'll tell you, देखो मुझ और वो जो शादी वाली आंटियां जो रिश्ते कराती हैं, शादी वाली आंटियों को आप अपना बायोडाटा देते हो ना कि आपको क्या चाहिए, वो चाहिए, वो आपको वैसे ढूंढ के निकाल के देती हैं कि मेरे पास ये 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. So most that way is so convenient. It's on your fingertips, यार. आप उधर देख लो, आपकी ये चीजें, आपको वो ऑप्शंस मिल गए जो आपको चाहिए.
We're gonna play a game, and I'm going to read you some bios, fictional Muz bios. तो आप मुझे बताएंगी, will you swipe मतलब save, or would you skip मतलब हटाओ?
ठीक है.
Gym 6 times a week, family oriented, hates cats.
Save.
Swipe मतलब
Yeah, swipe. Sorry.
but he hates cats.
वो बाकी 2 चीजें बहुत अच्छी हैं, वो ज़्यादा important है.
Okay. Engineer, great hair, emotionally unavailable.
Sorry.
Why?
Emotionally unavailable यार. Engineering से उसका मैंने क्या करना है? Emotionally जो चाहिए मुझे वो नहीं है.
जो बात है. Okay, green flag or red flag? Texts you good morning every day.
Green flag.
Okay. Still follows his ex but says it's not like that.
Red flag.
Says he's manifesting a wife.
Green flag.
Oh, that's so cringy.
क्यों?
Imagine किसी के bio में लिखा हुआ है manifesting a wife.
अच्छा किसी के बायो में लिखा हुआ
हाँ.
है. Swipe. Sorry.
Skip.
हाँ.
Red flag. He cooks but only instant noodles.
Sorry.
Okay. Mama's advice for Gen Z. What's your number one rule for love? Rapid fire.
Loyal.
Okay. One piece of advice for me.
For you, take things as it comes.
What would you tell women who are healing? Tell them.
Time heals everything. Trust me.
Okay. And we're gonna have our last segment, which is called Love Again. So, do you believe in soulmates or second chances?
Soulmate.
Soulmates. Do you think love changes after healing?
Love changing after healing.
Love की definition या
नहीं love
feeling.
नहीं love is the feeling जो आपकी है वो आपकी रहेगी उसमें change नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah. What does love look like for you now?
Beautiful.
I love that. What's one thing you can say you're proud of in your love story?
That I got the right guy in my life. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
All green ticks, green flags.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And if you could tell your younger self one thing about love, what would it be?
Take your time. Don't get married so soon.
Okay guys, so I think Mama has proven it that life does not end after divorce. You just make better boundaries. I think you're just more of a confident female. आपको पता होता है आपको शायद एक relationship से आप क्या चाहिए. I think वो आप define बेहतर कर सकते हैं. So if you're looking to meet someone for a long-term partnership and a successful shadi perhaps, applications like Moz are places you should be on. जहाँ similar mindset वाले individuals आपको मिल सकते हैं. इंशाल्लाह आपको नहीं पता आपकी किस्मत में कब कौन आ सकता है. I think you are माशाल्लाह से a great love story and a great example of anything can happen if you are a kind person. So keep being nice to everyone. Thank you Mama for doing this little podcast.
And one more thing. And stay positive.
Stay
Only
positive.
then love will come.
Yeah. So yeah guys, thank you so much for your time, and just another shout out to Moz, because apps like them, you can find someone who's looking for their forever, and so are you. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.